Hey, fifth grade, let's jump back into a little bit of geometry with lesson 108, which covers transformations. In the past, when we've worked with shapes, we've talked about some of them being congruent, meaning they have the same shape and size. When we're working with transformations, our shapes are going to stay congruent, but the position of those shapes is going to change. Our three main ways of transforming our congruent shapes are rotation, translation, and reflection. I have an example for each one drawn here, but I'm also going to use this felt triangle to help you visualize it and see it in action. So if we're starting with a rotation, that means we're twisting our shape around a fixed point. The fixed point for this one is this corner right here. So we would turn it or rotate it like this. So the shape and the size itself are not changing, but its position is. I'll do a rotation one more time. Our beginning point, and then we twist it around this corner, this fixed point, and this is our new shape. If we're working with a translation, that means we're sliding it from one spot to the next. So I would take my triangle and I would simply slide it over to the side, and that would be our translation. For our reflection, you can think of that like a mirror image. So I have this dotted line here, and that would represent the axis or the mirror that it was being reflected. So we're taking it and you're simply putting it across that axis in a mirror image. So you're reflecting. So our three types of transformations are rotation, translation, and reflection.